Deep beneath the Harz Mountains, 60,000 prisoners were building weapons that would kill thousands, but they were dying faster than the rockets they made. This was Nordhausen concentration camp, a place where human beings became disposable parts in Hitler's war machine. The prisoners worked 14-hour shifts in complete darkness, no fresh air, no rest, building V-2 rockets in tunnels that stretched for miles underground. Every day, 100 prisoners died from exhaustion. Their bodies were dragged away and immediately replaced with new arrivals. The cruel irony? These dying men were building the very weapons that would terror bomb London. Each rocket they completed would kill innocent families while they slowly died in the darkness. When American forces liberated the camp in April 1945, they found 3,000 corpses stacked like wood. Some prisoners had been buried alive to hide the evidence. Nordhausen wasn't just a concentration camp. It was a weapons factory and extermination site rolled into one. The ultimate proof that human evil knows no bounds.